they're still original. Ouch, just whacked my arm on the wall there. Oh, I'm really happy to see that these are still going. I honestly was totally expecting these to be modernized by now, but I'm glad they're not. Anyway, let's take a ride. Up to 5. 5 is locked. 4. We'll ring the bell up here. Look at the bell. It's... What? What? Okay. All right, I guess we'll ride the other car. I don't know what that was about. Yep. Definitely on their original controllers, that's for sure. And this one has LEDs behind the indicator. I mean, it looks all right, but the incandescents look nicer. Yeah, these run like old relay Dovers. Lots of fun. And I think that's a good. All right, that's it for this video. We'll watch it close. And